So the closest cone is number 1, then 2, 3 and 4 being furthest away. You've got a split step, then explode to number 1 and back, then 2, 3 and 4, making sure you control the recovery and making it realistic. Do both sides for 1 set, 20 seconds off, 10 sets. The next stage is for someone to say a random number between 1 and 4. You have to explode to that number and recover, making sure you keep it as realistic as possible. 8 numbers make 1 set, and again, 10 sets is a good effort. For the purpose of the video, obviously nobody's saying the number, but if you look in the bottom left hand corner, the numbers are coming up. Okay, in this next video, it's going to be exactly the same as before. Somebody's going to be telling you a number to go to. You've got to make sure you go out to the cone, but this time, rather than just do a normal recovery, you're going to be slaloming in and out of the cones. You've got to make sure that when you're doing this, you're doing lots of small feet. Don't go over the cones. Make sure you're going in between them. Try and get to 8 numbers in a row if you can, and again, 10 sets. In this exercise, not only is the person going to be saying a random number, but they're also going to be throwing you a ball. After you've caught the ball, what you do, you move out to the number that they've said, and then throw it back. Okay, in this exercise, now you're going to have a racket, and when you move out to the number that somebody's going to say, you're going to shadow swing. If you look in this video, I'm actually doing everything open stance, but what you can do is you can play around with if you go open stance or if you go closed stance. Make sure when you're doing this, you're still getting the recovery in with the crossover and then a side step and a proper split step once you get back. Okay, the final drill, what you're going to do, you're going to say 1 number in a row. The player moves out to that, shadows a swing, then comes back. Then say 2 numbers in a row. Then 3, then 4. See how many you can get up to. This is quite a mentally tough and a physically tough drill. You're going to have to make sure you're concentrating throughout. Give these a try at home. Let us know how you get on.